Guys checking in on Project Meadowvale. We're here meeting a couple of our guys to get the stucco going. You can see they're setting up scaffolding, get that design dialed in with my guys, and then we're gonna meet with our carpenter as well to go over some cabinet layouts. Sheetrock's almost done, so let's go run through it real quick. Check it out. So if we did an 11 foot, you know, we could do that, a 24-inch left. So we only have, or we could, yeah, we need to put a cabinet over there because at the bottom of the microwave cabinet we'll have one drawer and then trash and then dish and then sink. So you could balance it. You got to figure out how to, I don't care. You just have to figure out the arrangement to get the sink in the center and just make the spacing work right. Right, yeah, I like to keep 4 feet paths. So we'll have 4 feet here and 4 feet there. So we have to figure out how much space we really have. Yeah, because the top has the piece and on the side you'll have to do the full. You know, I'm thinking probably, let's say I did 16 on the other house. I don't want it to be too big. We're here at the next project at Chrysler, and you can see there's big gaping holes in the side of my house or in the front of my house because we don't have windows. We're struggling with the window company right now. In this particular case, Geldwin, we have 3 houses that we ordered windows for, and they've sent us some, but not all. They keep telling us they're gonna send the windows this day, that week, whatever. It keeps not happening. I don't know what's going on with their manufacturing facility, but we're not getting our windows. Windows hold up insulation, they hold up siding, they hold up hardwoods, they hold up sheetrock. So you'll notice at the other house, we put paper all over the sides of the house and on the front of the house where the windows are missing, so we can keep the projects rolling. We're probably gonna have to do the same thing here. You can see we got the electricians in there working right now. We're gonna keep rolling through mechanicals, waiting on these stinking windows to come, but that's why we have big holes in our houses. It's part of the job, I guess. Let's check it out. Let's see. Yeah, kind of tricky.
This is the only way of doing it.
If we did,
Any
yeah.
other way, it was gonna be.
Got our new doors installed. These are the multi-slides from Windor. All these door panels slide that way and pocket into the end. And all of those slide that way and pocket into that end. So if you wanted to open these all up, you can have that kind of free flow around the whole house. It's pretty cool. We're checking out another project that I'm doing for a friend of mine that owns this car dealership right here, Palmer Dodge in Roswell, Georgia. They asked me to do a little kitchen for them, so friend in need is a friend indeed, right? These guys are awesome. We've known each other a long time, so of course when they need some help, I'm here to help them out. Let's go check it out. Small remodel, nothing crazy. We put some hardwood on these steps for them. They used to be carpet. All this was carpet right here. So we just ripped out the carpet, did them some nice hardwoods that carry into this kitchen. Redid this bathroom and this kitchen, so you know, just a modest sized bathroom, nothing crazy in there. And then it's a small kitchen. It used to have these lower ceilings, so we ripped everything out, raised them up. So it's just a little kitchen for the owner over here to kind of do his thing every day, make some lunch and stuff like that. Let the people know. Your boy actually gets his hands dirty. Tries not to though. So we're gonna get this thing wrapped up pretty soon, get some countertops in here, get all this dialed in, and then we're off to the next. So if you can give me like the house, and I can go back to the engineer of record for that particular house and have him advise if we need to pop some steel for that thing, because I'm pretty sure the architect said I needed to put some steel on that, because it's a pretty big cantilever.
Yeah, that's it doesn't have any support at the one corner there, so it's kind of weird, like kind of like a parasail up there.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know how it gets done. I would think a steel frame and then something to fill in the middle.
Yeah. I would say if you can, just leave that part off, do the house, and then I'll let the steel guys worry about that part. No, nothing there. It's just for aesthetics. It's actually not even going to be functional. There's going to be a cap on it outside the house. So it's strictly for aesthetics and elevations, but I'm sure we'll just clad it with tile, normal tile like we always do, so it shouldn't need anything structural there.
Okay, all right, cool. Well, I'm just gonna leave that one. And then the other 3 questions that are on here, you'll want to just look at the layouts and kind of grab your brain about what he's talking about.
Okay.
All right?
Sounds good.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Day in the life, you know? So we are here at another project. This one is in Sandy Springs. This one we are knocking down the old house and building a brand new one. Super modern house. We will be releasing the information and photographs on it very soon, but they're here smashing the house. Let's check it out. Tractor sitting in the basement. We're trying not to get too crazy close because there's like 7,000 hornets over there, but yeah, there used to be a house right here. You can see the chimney still standing. We're being swarmed by hornets, so we're probably gonna bounce, but this is what it looks like. You get the main house down, you get all the main like C&D construction debris out of here, the wood and the roof and all the organic type materials. And then once they get all that in these boxes, take it away, he starts breaking all the masonry, the block, the concrete, the brick, the stone, and then we haul that off in dumpsters and it gets sent to the plants and they crush it and recycle it. So say farewell to this house. There's a giant big cat sitting in the basement. That's kind of funny. Stay tuned. We're gonna get all this out of here and build a beautiful new modern house in this beautiful private wooded lot. It's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. We're out here, last stop of the day. We're checking out a house that was sent to us on a road that we know. We're just here to check out the lot to see if I like it. I like the elevation, I like the shape of the lot. I think we can build a cool house on it for the money that they want for the land and for the area to, you know, kind of justify the price of the sale price of the house. So we're just here checking it out in person. You can't really do this stuff online. You kind of have to see it in person. You can check out this really cool modern that someone else built next door. This is a really rad house, so that's a great indication of what we can do here because this lot is the same as that lot. So let's check it out real quick. So you can see that this lot, if you look at the back of this house right here, it's basically where we're standing. And then if you pan back to the back of the yard, it's got like this little wall. You would think that's like the back of the property line, but it probably goes way back up to that hill. And these are the kind of things that we need to see in person that you can't really see in pictures, because that hill goes up. So if you want to build into that, we've got to dig all of this out, cut all these trees down, build retaining walls. It's just extra expense that you have to spend on the property to develop it, to build a house. So you got to check all this stuff out in person, factor all this stuff into your kind of construction budget and what the land is really worth at the end of the day. Busy day today, running around. We got a lot of stuff coming in the pipeline. Stay tuned. We're going to show you some more of what the projects are going to look like. I'm getting renderings back from the architect on 2 or 3 of the projects, so stay tuned for those. We're going to show you some more details on those. We've been kind of hush-hush about those, and we've got the big project coming up, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one.